morning, everyone. This is actually day 6 of our Orlando vacation. Yesterday was pretty chill. We did not record, just kind of enjoyed the vibes. We went to lunch or brunch at Art Smith's Homecoming in Disney Springs, and then just did some perusing around Disney Springs, and then just came back home and took a nap. We went to food truck heaven. I'll probably post like a short or something about that. It's like 50 different food trucks. They have a large variety of different things. Super duper nice. It was not crowded whatsoever, which was really nice as well. But this morning we are headed to the beach. We are going to Cocoa Beach, which is one of our favorite beaches here in Florida. It's only about an hour away. Now, we have tried to venture off to other beaches like Anna Maria Island. Funny story, we tried to do that a few years ago, drove all the way there, which was like 2 hours away, and could not find not a single parking spot.
Yeah, it was crazy.
So we like to go where we know where the good parking is and
get some good food.
Yeah, so it's what we're familiar with, so that's why we are going. Plus, we have not been able to really enjoy the pool here at the townhouse. I'm gonna show you in a minute what it looks like. I called them to have them to come out and clean it, and it still looks very, very swampy. So we have been here for 6 days and nobody has tended to this pool at all. So best believe I'm gonna put this in my Verbo review. But yeah, come enjoy a day at the beach with us. All right, guys, so here is the pool. I just wanted to give you all a close up. So this is what it looks like. It is not cleaned whatsoever, like at all. So disappointing to rent a property that has a pool and you are not even able to enjoy it. So here's like a better look. It's just not clear at all, and I don't feel comfortable getting into it. Just made it to the Cocoa Beach area. We're gonna go into the Sandbar Sports Grill. This is our go-to spot. They have really good fish tacos. Here's their menu too.
Look at that fish.
Yeah, that fish. Please seat yourself. Okay. We're starting with our drinks of the day. So of course, if you know me, you know I got a margarita. And what did you get?
On the Category 5 Hurricane, they got levels.
Oh, so they have different levels. You can start with the Cat 1 all the way up to the 5, which is what he got, which is a ton of alcohol. Okay, so for my food, I got 3 tacos. They sell them a la carte, so I got 3 different ones. This one is the shrimp. This one is, it looks like carne asada. And then this one is the fried fish. And Brandon got the pizza sandwich. What is it called?
Pizza steak, but it's like a Philly cheese steak, but it's pizza.
This is his pizza steak. And then Jordan got the cheese pizza with french fries. But they are known for their fish tacos, so I am excited to dig in. We just left the restaurant. As you can see, it's right behind me. The lunch was really good. Full disclaimer, this is an honest review. There was some flies in my drink, so I had to send those back twice. But other than that, the tacos were really good. But so the restaurant is right back there and has an entrance to the beach right behind us, which is really, really convenient. got you, Jordan. You gone now? I'm at the shore, and Brandon and Jordan are up there at the top. Jordan is playing in the sand. But the beach is my happy place. The water is extremely cold. Honestly, I could just spend all day out here. So peaceful. Woo! It's cold. What you doing, Jort? What you doing? You gonna cover up all your legs?
Yeah. Like Daddy.
Look who made it down. You gonna put your feet in the water?
No.
Woo! It's cold, isn't it? Huh? Too cold?
I better get out there and surf.
Yeah, right.
Come on.
Comes a big one. Just left the ocean. Jordan was getting a little cold. The water was extremely cold. But we are walking to the car now. We have reservations at Morimoto in Disney Springs. It's only about 2:30. Our reservation is at 5:15, so we should have time to make it there. But also I wanted to show you where we parked to, so you can see how convenient it was for the restaurant as well as the beach. So here's the restaurant. We parked literally right across the street. Parking was about $14 for, I want to say 3 or 4 hours. But so parking, restaurant, and then there's a little walkway to the beach right behind the restaurant. We have made it to Morimoto Asia in Disney Springs. We are late for our reservation, but hopefully they are able to accommodate us. Okay, so here's the kids menu. Jordan got the strawberry fizz and then also the lo mein with shrimp. She's gonna get the ice cream for dessert. So here is her drink, the strawberry fizz with the boba at the bottom.
Wait.
And her lo mein, the shrimp lo mein. Looks good. We also got the California roll with the blue crab. Looks good. We both got the Morimoto Mai Tais. Brandon got the same thing. But as you can see, the sushi roll is amazing. It's so fresh. The blue crab tastes so good. It's really good, fruity. You can tell it has some alcohol in it though, so I really like this. So we have Wagyu bows. These look really good as well.
Do I have some bubbles?
Do you like the bows?
Oh yeah, it's good. These A5 Wagyu. Real
They're really good. I like how the bun is a little bit crispy around the edges. Unlike Ben the Bow in Universal City Walk.
Yeah, it's real good.
The meat is tender, flavorful. The sauce on it is really good too.
Yeah, everything is real good, man. I like the bowl on this. Got a little crisp to it. It ain't like just soft doughy, but I like it.
Entree, we got the Morimoto fried rice. It has a chicken, pork, and shrimp in it. It looks really good. Also, we got the duck ramen. So here is the duck ramen. This is pretty much what they're known for, duck, and I'm going to show you why a little later. So they have an open concept for the kitchen, and this is why I say that they're known for their duck. They sell a certain amount of these every day, like it's a lot of it. But love how the kitchen is so open and we can see absolutely everything. Very, very nice. Jordan got her ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Is it good? Did you like the rest of your food too? Yeah? Did you like the sushi? Not bad. What about the duck and noodles with the soup? Yeah. What about your noodles, the lo mein? Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So as far as Morimoto Asia, let's talk about it. I love the ambiance. I love the food. The food was really, really good. So I told you about the sushi rolls and the bao buns, but let's talk about the duck and noodles, the ramen, and then also the fried rice. So the fried rice was really, really good. I loved that it included shrimp and chicken and pork. It was really good. The little sauce on top was spicy. Flavors were there. Like, it was very, very flavorful. I loved it. Also, let me pause here. The reason I have on glasses right now is because I got like sand or something in my eye while we were at the beach.
The wind on the beach was wild. If you look one way, like your face was just gonna be covered with sand. It was pretty crazy.
You too?
It was fun though, but the wind was pretty wild.
Yeah, and I think I got like some kind of cut or something in this right eye, so I had to take out my contacts and put on my glasses. Like, my eyes were watering nonstop. Like, I couldn't even open my eye for a good 2 hours.
I got sand in my eye too, but I still got my contacts in. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be jacked up by the time we get home.
Yeah, but let's talk about the duck ramen. So initially when they brought it out, I got like an unusual smell coming from it. So I was like, oh, I don't think I'm really gonna like this. But once I tasted it, it was really good. Like, very flavorful. The broth was nice. The egg that was in it, that was in it was actually a different flavor than the rest of the food too. So that was interesting. He didn't get to taste the egg. I tore it up. I ate it myself.
Yeah, I asked where the egg was at and it was already gone.
Yes, but Jordan even loved the noodles, the ramen noodles. She loves ramen anyway. So she loved the noodles. She loved the broth. It had large pieces of duck in it. So they do specialize in duck. They actually sell a dish that's like a whole duck. I think it comes with like rice or I don't know what it comes with.
It's a duck meal for two,
Yeah,
people.
and it's $89. But the duck and ramen came with a lot of meat, like big pieces of meat. So loved it. Loved everything that we have from there. The drinks, appetizers, everything. But this is the last day of our vacation. This is the last day. No more vlogs for us for Orlando for this go round. You might see another Orlando vlog from us later on this year. You just never know. We love it here. But we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, we will see you all next time.
Peace out. God bless.